Hi, everyone. Welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Amazon Chime account quickly and easily. Just follow a few simple steps. Keep watching the video till the end to recover your Amazon Chime's account. Firstly, open your Google search. On the search box, type in Amazon Chime login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. The official page of Amazon Chime will appear on the screen. Enter your email address and tap on the Sign In or Sign Up link. The login page of Amazon Chime will appear on the screen. Enter your username to recover your account. Tap on Forgot Your Password. On the next page, enter your email address or phone number to receive your reset link and click on Continue. A verification code or OTP code will be sent for verification. Enter the OTP code and tap on Continue. On the next page, create a new password for your Amazon Prime account. Confirm your new password and tap on Save Changes and Sign In. Enter your username and new password, then click on Login. This is how you can recover your Amazon Chime account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.